Okay, welcome, my dear friends. This is Dr. Padala Tirupati, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Autonomous, Karimnagar. In the regarding of CPGET 2025 free online coaching, today's our eminent resource person, Dr. THIRUNAHARI, UGANDHAR sir, Associate Professor, the most senior botany fraternity in our Telangana state. Sir has working in Government Degree College, Autonomous, Kakatiya Government College, Autonomous, Warangal, Hanmakonda. Sir has huge experience in the field of plant tissue culture and biotechnology, especially cell biology and molecular biology. Sir is going to explain about the remaining topic. Yesterday, Sir has clearly explained about the scientists, those who are contribute their services to the research area of the cell biology or in the field of biological science. At the same time, Sara has clearly explained about the structure of the and composition of the cell wall and functions of the cell wall. At the same time, most important bits regarding our CPGET free online coaching, Sara has clearly explained in previous class. So we would like to invite today's our resource person, Dr. THIRUNAHARI UGANDHAR sir. Please welcome and share your screen and start your session, sir. Please welcome. UGANDHAR sir.
Okay. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Hearty welcome, sir.
Okay, sir. Good morning, all of the participants and degree. So we are today teaching that cell biology. So cell biology, the cell biology, which is the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane, which is also important for the so this is a last class which can
So, sir is going to explain about the plasma membrane or the cell membrane models, plasma membrane models, and functions of the plasma membrane models, plasma membrane, structure of the plasma membrane, which type of plasma membrane is most acceptable model. The scientists, those who are working and given the different models related to plasma membrane. So beautiful slides and beautiful PPT sir has prepared. So sir is going to present in this class. We are very lucky because of his very senior most botany fraternity. So in this regard, sir is going to present. Sir, please welcome and share your screen, sir. Sir, please unmute yourself. UGANDHAR sir. Sir has given yesterday not only useful for CPGET, but also it is very useful for JL, DL, GURUKUL, PGT, TGT and other competitive exams in the field of plant sciences. Not only plant sciences, it is also useful for biological sciences, including life sciences. That means botany, zoology, biotechnology, biochemistry, environmental science, zoology, microbiology, biochemistry. Okay, so these are all the different branches of the biology or life sciences. So Sarah has clearly stated yesterday that is useful for all the competitive exams. So today Sarah is also going to present plasma membrane models. It is also useful for all the field of life sciences, all the field of biological branches. That is botany, zoology, biochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, okay, biochemistry, environmental science.
Plasma membrane.
Okay. ఓకే సార్ మీరు నెక్స్ట్ అన్న కొద్ది నేను స్లైడ్ మారుస్తా సార్
సార్ పీపీటీ ఇంకా విజిబుల్ అయితే లేదు సార్
Sorry,
డౌన్లోడ్
plasma membrane.
మీకు మీకు పీపీటీ రాలేదా
సార్ ఓన్లీ డౌన్లోడ్ ఆప్షన్ మన డెస్క్టాప్ కనబడుతుంది సార్ ఫైల్స్
డెస్క్టాప్
ఉంటాయి కదా
కనబడుతుందా
ఫైల్స్
ఒక్క పని చేద్దాం ఒక్క పని చేస్తాగండి ఒక్క పని చేస్తాను
అదేంటి అడిషన్ స్కిన్ కనబడతాయా
స్క్రీన్ కనబడుతుంది పీపీటీ ఏది కనబడుతుంది
నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకో దాంట్లో దీన్ని కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేస్తున్నా మేడం
మాట్లాడి రేపు వంతుడే మేము
లేదు సార్
డౌన్లోడే కనబడుతుంది కదా
సార్
ఇప్పుడు
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే
ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా
అదే నెక్స్ట్
స్లైడ్ చేయండి
ఓకే
that's
Okay.
so it is also plasma membrane then or cell membrane both are same next 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 this is also the plasma membrane also known as a cell membrane it made by the two type of the substances are so carbohydrates are lipids, then separate interior of the cell from the external environment and plays a key role in maintaining the cell integrity and functions. In a plant, also bacteria cells, the cell wall is located outside the plasma membrane, providing additional support and also called protection. In animals and plants, both are it can arrangement is also different. In the plasma membrane is a plants only composed of the phospholipid bilayers, which makes it is a semi-permeable. Semi means it can transport or solute and solutes are transfers from the plasma membrane to outside, also inside of the cell. It helps regulate the transport of nutrients, ions, and also waste products. So next. So it also contains a membrane proteins which serves a various functions. Integral proteins, also called a peripheral proteins. This is also two type of the channels which can helps to the transport of the ions. The fluidity of the membrane is maintained by the arrangement of the phospholipids and also presence of the cholesterol in animal cells, but absent in plant cells, allowing functions across different temperatures. Overall, the plasma membranes plays a critical role in controlling the movement of substances, also called a facilitating communication between cells. It can providing the structural support and also helping the maintenance of the homeostasis. This is also important in the plasma. Then plasma membranes are majorly made by the components. The six type of the components are important for the role of the formation of the plasma membranes. It can together maintain the cell integrity and a facility to function. So the key components includes the phospholipids, first components, which can structurally in the plasma membrane basic part. It can arrange, there are the two layers with hydrophilic, hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means water attaching heads facing outwards. The hydrophobic means water repelling, and the hydrophilic water attack and attracting forces. Then hydrophobic means water repelling tails facing inwards. This arrangement also allows the membranes to the semi-permeable, providing a flexible yet stable barrier. Then second type of the component is called integral proteins. It can embedded with a phospholipid layer. Some span across membranes and are called the transmembrane proteins, which is also then it can functionally channels, means it can holes like structures. It can transporting of ions of the channels, gates or ports, allowing specific substances to pass into or out of the cell. It also involves in a transport signaling and a communication system. It is also then the third type of the component is called a peripheral proteins. Fourth one cholesterol, fifth one carbohydrates. Then the third one is also attached to the outer inner surface of the membranes, not embedded in the lipid layer, often act as enzymes, structural anchors of the part of the signaling pathways. Then cholesterol, then interspecific between the phospholipids. It is a fourth type of the component made by the plasma membranes. It maintains a fluidity and stability. Stability means it can be does not changes in the high or low concentrated ions. It is especially across temperature changes. Then fifth one, also last component is called a carbohydrates attached to the proteins or lipids on the extracellular surface of the membrane, forming glycoproteins, glycolipids. Glyco means glucose type. Carbohydrate plus proteins is glycoproteins. Glycolipids means carbohydrate plus lipids. It can play a major role in cell recognition, signaling, and adhesions. It is important of the 5 components are made by the plasma membranes. Next. Then functions of the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane acts a physical barrier between the cytoplasm and extracellular space.